Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a very common bird. The red-vented bulbul. The red-vented bulbul is a member of the bulbul family of passerines. A dark, sleek, medium-sized bird with a black crest and a white rump. You can easily recognize this bird by looking at its hair. It's as if he has used hair gel to spike his hair to attend a party. And sometimes you can see the red part underneath. It is a resident breeder across the Indian subcontinent, including Sri Lanka, extending east Burma and parts of Bhutan and Nepal. Eats fruit, flower buds and insects. It has been introduced in many other parts of the world and has established itself in New Zealand, Argentina, Tonga and Fiji, as well as parts of Samoa, Australia, USA and Cook Islands. Their calls are like named locally as Konda Kurulla or Kondaya. It is included in the list of the world's 100 worst invasion alien species. It is very common in urban cities. We live in Colombo, Sri Lanka, which is the biggest city in Sri Lanka. The second biggest city in Sri Lanka is Kandy, located in the hill capital. Also used to be Sri Lanka's last kingdom. Kandy is also the most visited tourist city in Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the common red shank.